Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the source and destination. Open the Excel workbook that contains the data you want to reuse and the Word document where it will appear. Once done, select the exact cells or create a named range in Excel so the link is stable. Make sure both files are saved in XLSX and DocX formats. This reduces breakage when you move files. Now position the cursor in Word where the linked table or cell should go, and keep both applications visible for the next steps. You copy the range or chart from Excel, then switch to Word and use Paste Special with Paste Link selected so the object remains connected to its source. This is how updates flow automatically. Once linked, you can choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object to preserve formulas and formatting. Make sure to test, edit a value in Excel and watch Word update. If you need a static snapshot, use Paste without linking. Also, resize or format the embedded object in Word to match layout needs. You finish by saving both documents and verifying the connection. Change a value in Excel and right-click the linked object in Word to choose Update Link. You should see the change. If links break, open Word's Edit Links dialog to relink or change source. Relinking via Paste Special recreates the connection. Make sure linked files stay together. Use the same folder or relative paths when moving files. One quick troubleshooting tip. Enable automatic update of linked objects in Word's options if updates aren't appearing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.